Setting up a home ICU or calling a nurse or attendant services at home. These are the top 7 frequently asked questions by families, and you should also know before you begin. First question, please.
What happens if the nurse or attendant suddenly leaves? Who takes over?
HDU Healthcare takes over. We provide you complete replacement support. We have number one, the backup pool of all these trained nurses and attendants. Number two, we have full medical track record background of the patient. So all we have to do is align the trained nurse or an attendant with the patient, and you will get a replacement within 24 hours. So don't worry.
Do patients ever feel a loss of dignity when strangers handle their personal care?
Not really, although it might look, yes, ये feeling आ सकती है, but ऐसा होता नहीं है. Why? Because our staff, our nurses and attendants have been trained for empathy, dignity and respect. They tell the patient beforehand whatever they are going to do with them, so that the patient is also little bit sensitized. For example, कोई nurse sponge bath देने जा रही है तो वो बताती है कि अब हम स्पंज बात करेंगे मैम, इसके बाद आप एकदम क्लीन हो जाओगे. या अटेंडेंट अगर शेव करने जा रहा है तो बताता है कि सर अभी मैं आपको शेव करूंगा, यू विल फील वेरी फ्रेश एंड क्लीन, और लेट अस चेंज द डाइपर, इसके बाद आप एकदम क्लीन कंफर्टेबल हो जाओगे. सो दे टेल देम बिफोर हैंड and the patient also becomes comfortable with it.
Will hiring a nurse or attendant make the patient too dependent on them?
Not really. Our job is to promote their independence rather replacing it. You will oftenly see the nurse handling the patient with her hands and saying कि सर अभी मैंने आपको पकड़ के 2 steps लिए, next आपको खुद लेने हैं. Or they'll also help in their physiotherapy exercise. They'll tell them let's move the joints today, let's do the blood circulation, let's do this, let's do that. So no, we promote independence. We don't replace it.
How do I know if my patient needs a nurse or just an attendant?
You don't have to decide that. You don't have to worry about it. Basically, when the patient is critical and requires someone to monitor their vitals like oxygen, blood pressure, pulse rate, or has ventilator support, so in such cases, nurse is not an option. Nurse is a necessity. While as if the condition is stable, the patient requires basic comfort, hygiene, mobility, then the attendant will do.
Can a nurse also help with personal care like bathing, feeding, grooming, or only medical tasks?
Yes, nurse will help in both the things like personal care, grooming, toothbrush करवाना, diaper change करना, सब कुछ करेंगी, और medical task तो उन्होंने करना ही है.
What if the patient doesn't feel comfortable with the assigned nurse or attendant?
Don't worry about it. You just let us know. We'll send you a replacement. We have seen sometimes because of the language barrier, sometimes it happens. And as soon as the family lets us know, lets the nursing manager know, we'll send you replacement within 24 hours.
Is it safe to leave the patient alone with an attendant at home?
Yes, you can absolutely trust the attendant, because all the attendants or nurses that you are having, they are verified, their police verification is done, we have all their documents, their Aadhaar card, everything with us. So you don't worry about it. Sometimes even there are families who are living outside India, they have all these nurses and attendants and do very fantastically well. But at the same time, we also suggest family members to have a CCTV installed near the premises, or have a visitor logbook, so that we can know who is coming and who is going, for your extra peace of mind.